Well, when you have a busy life and family, it can be tough to make meals that are both nutritious and delicious.
Joining us now are two very, very important women, busy women, Danielle Jonas and her sister, Dina Deleasa-Gonsar. Guys, thank you so much for being with us on Better. We love to have you.
Good morning. Hi.
All right, first of all, I know we're not supposed to talk all about cottage cheese, but cottage cheese is one of my favorite foods. I just had it before I came here.
Awesome. Then this is going to be the perfect segment for you, because this is all about cottage cheese, specifically hood cottage cheese, because we feel it's the best tasting cottage cheese out there. And it is so versatile. There are many different things you can do. It can bring you from breakfast, lunch, to dinner, correct?
Right, exactly.
And we're going to show you a couple of fun recipes that we made up.
I mean, my favorite one is the waffles.
Yes, they are blueberry waffles, and they actually have blueberry cottage cheese in them, which is also great for our kids, because we love finding new ways to get protein in our kids before they start the busy school day.
Right.
Aline and Valentina eat these, don't they?
Exactly.
Exactly. And then we have a really great Faro grain bowl. And what's really great about this is it's customizable, and you can add in any kind of vegetables that you would like. We have some roasted broccoli, roasted tomatoes, and of course, dollop some hood cottage cheese on top of that, which makes it really extra special. And then we also made up 2 different crostinis, again, speaking to the versatility of the cottage cheese. So we're going to get started on that for y'all. And while I'm doing that, I just want to let you guys know that there's a really cool activation going on with Hood Cottage Cheese. They have their delicious duels going on right now. And if you go and vote for your favorite recipe, they're going to donate a tub of cottage cheese to a local food bank in the greater New York area for every vote. That's it, which is really great. So you're doing some good along with eating some good food. So here we have some chopped up marinated artichokes. We're going to add some Kalamata olives to that. Mix that a little bit. And right here we have some crostini bread. So you could take a French baguette or some Italian bread. And I like to take a little bit of garlic and olive oil, rub it over the top before I bake it. That's a good one.
She's the pro here. It's like,
Yeah, Danielle, does she let you cook at all?
I mean, sometimes. No,
definitely. It's more fun to have more people in the kitchen, right?
I always Zoom call her, or she's either here trying to teach me something.
I'm usually
still
here.
learning. Yeah.
But food is really a big part of your family, right? You have a big family, big Italian family, and you love to cook?
Oh, yeah.
Always feeding somebody, always asking if someone's hungry, right? Always trying there.
And then you get in trouble if you say that you're not hungry.
Definitely.
You know what
Don't ever.
my friend did last week was they took the ricotta cheese out of the lasagna and they put cottage cheese in for the dish for the lasagna, and I thought it was absolutely delicious.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, you can do that. The creamy texture is amazing in lasagna. And again, very versatile. There's probably a lot of places you can mix in your cottage cheese that maybe you didn't realize. Maybe sub out your yogurt and your parfait for cottage cheese. Try to think of those everyday ways that you can use it, incorporate it into your diet. Again, 13 grams of protein.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, you can't get any better than that, especially when you're a busy mom running around all day, barely feeding yourself. It's a great go-to.
Danielle, what was it like to film the reality show, Married to Jonas? Was it fun to have cameras following you?
We got very close. It was a lot of fun. It was definitely like eye-opening with
100%.
Yeah.
And I think getting to go to Italy together as a family as a result of that was the most
my
memorable.
mother would have never went. She does not like to fly. Somehow we did it, and it was great.
Oh, that's fantastic. And you still have your jewelry line going, Danielle?
I do.
Got some jewels on today.
Got some jewels on today.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And you all have kids now too, right? Danielle, you have 2 girls, and Dina, you have 1?
Yes, I have 1 little one. They're all around the same age, so it's been a lot of fun raising them together and feeding them together.
You guys live close to each other too?
Yes, that was like 15 minutes or so. So yeah, so we like to stay on top of each other. You know?
All right, so you look like you got something really beautiful there. That's artichoke hearts with cottage cheese on a crostini?
Yes. This is marinated artichoke hearts and Kalamata olives on top of the plain Hood cottage cheese. You sprinkle on a little bit of red pepper flakes if you like it a little bit spicy.
Kevin likes it spicy.
I don't need to know that. Just kidding. So then we also have some nice fresh basil and some Pellegrini chili oil drizzled on top of this crostini. So the sky's the limit. You know, you could be as creative as you want, and Hood cottage cheese has lots of great flavors from pineapple to blueberry to chive. So yeah, you can really have a lot of fun with your dishes.
Well, we think it's fantastic, and we love the both of you, and we hope that you'll come back on the show someday to talk about everything Jonas and to talk about everything cottage cheese and more.
And you look so beautiful. I never look like that when I'm cooking, so gorgeous.
Oh, it takes a village.
Yeah,
Thank you.
for sure.
All right, thank you, ladies. We appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, they were really great.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
nice.
them. Very cute. Yeah.
Imagine being married to a Jonas brother. I mean,
Your life has to be insane.
insane. They're constantly touring, right?
Right.
They're still touring, and you got to be out there. You got to juggle the kids. You got to juggle everything.
But they seem like they're pretty, family
Down to
values,
earth.
down to earth.
Down to earth,
exactly.
which is really
I just
good.
followed both of them on Instagram too, so yeah.
Oh, you did? And Jamie, our producer, has been following them since Danielle was on the reality show, so that's pretty cool too.